Okay guys, we're gonna go through the A-frame. Alright, we'll break this down with y'all. So, when you put your partner in the cuddle, this isn't going to be like the cherry dip or the phoenix. When you spin your partner out, you're not going to tug back on her hand. You're going to twist it forwards. That tells your partner to spin back in. You can continue to hold onto that hand, or you can grab onto her hip, whatever feels more secure, and then take your left hand and place it behind her left leg right above the knee.
Okay girls, so where I prefer to put my hands, you want one hand on this shoulder. Depending if he's holding onto your hand or not, I put my hand on the other shoulder. This is the most secure thing for me. Make sure that you're not death gripping though, because if you're death gripping, he can't spin you the way that you need to be spun.
Okay, so right hand on the hip, left hand behind the leg. This is a very quick movement. It's not a slow lift. You have to get her onto your shoulder as quickly as you can. You want to aim for the waist, because if you place her stomach on your shoulder, it's very painful.
And then you're going to want to just give a little bit of a hop.
1, 2, 3. From right here, guys, you're going to do what's called the Lego hold. You're going to take your hands and you're going to turn them in and put them in your partner's armpits. You don't want to grab the arm, because then she can't complete this move and it's very painful.
And then make sure, girls, that you're planking. If you have anything in your body, it's not going to work. So make sure that you hold your muscles together and you plank.
2, 3. You can do a little spin. You're going to bring your partner back onto your shoulder. Your right arm is going to go across her back near her shoulder blades. Then as she comes down, grab her leg and help her down.
And then girls, once you're up, I grab just above my knees. That's what's easiest for me. You don't want to grab right on your knees. And sometimes if you don't get enough momentum, you can kind of tug your pants and then get your hands into the hold. But yeah.